Dams are really important for water security in the Mount Lofty Ranges, and it's really important if you have a dam on your property that you know how to inspect and maintain it. So Mark, how many dams have you got on your property and what do you use them for?
So we've got 2 dams on our property. Primarily we use them for irrigation. We're completely independent for water. This top dam we use for recreation in summer, and the lower dam, which is the primary irrigation dam, is also supports our firefighting system.
So why is it so important to maintain your dam regularly and make sure it's in good working order?
I guess fundamentally we're on independent water here. Without a good reliable water source and healthy water source, we don't have water for the property.
And you've got some native biodiversity in this dam as well?
Yeah, a good sign of the health of a health indicator of the dam is that all the macrofauna in the water. So we've got shrimps, little back swimmer things, all sorts of bugs living in this water. So
great.
Good food supply for a couple of fish in there, yabbies.
So if you've got a dam on your property, where do you start? The best time to inspect your dam is in summer and autumn when the water levels are lower and you'll be able to see more of the dam. So you'll be looking at areas of seepage, so the base and rim of the dam, and you'll also be able to see more damage and spot it early so that you can get onto it quickly. Maintaining your dam is really important, not just as an asset on your own property, but thinking about what's downstream of it as well. So what's downstream environmentally? What catchment is your dam flowing into? What water are you capturing that might otherwise flow downstream? And also, what neighbouring properties are downstream or what other assets might be impacted if your dam fails? Remember, if you have a dam on your property, it is you that will be held responsible if anything goes wrong, so it's really important to make sure that doesn't happen. Some dam maintenance activities do require a water affecting activity permit. If you're not sure, speak to your local landscape board and we're here to help with guidance and advice and to make sure that you can maintain your dam safely and effectively.